when you remember why you don't like hard pipe water cooling. But it's always better. And the final peel is worth it.